Everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok For You page not refreshing. First of all, restart the app by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. Next, turn your internet off and on, or try switching between cellular data and Wi-Fi to rule out network issues, and make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi. Next, go ahead and open your TikTok app. Go to your profile, click on the three icon button over on the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy, scroll down, go to free of space and click clear cache, downloads and drafts. Next, go ahead to your app store and then update TikTok if you haven't already. If there is an open button, then that means your TikTok is already updated, so you won't have to worry about that. And that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.